Welcome to week one of Chem 110, the first semester of general chemistry. I wanted to take just a moment to introduce you to a couple of great resources that will make such a difference for week one. The first resource that I'm excited for you to see is ALEX. So ALEX is an iterative problem-solving practice. And so it helps you practice skills until you've developed mastery with them. And that's important because one of the things that we're going to target, you can find here under weekly learning outcomes. So if you were to click on week one of the things that you would be able to find is the learning outcomes for this week. So by the end of week one, students will be able to write calculated answers with the correct number of significant figures and convert units, to show all work clearly, to use the relationship between density, mass, and volume to convert between units, and then to recall and correctly interpret metric prefixes. So one of the things that we're going to make sure that we're attentive to is checking in to make sure that you're comfortable with achieving these outcomes. So ALEX is one way that we can practice doing that. Another way that we can actually practice this is if we go here, you're going to notice that in week one on iLearn, there are a couple of resources for you. One of the most important is the week one syllabus quiz. And so you have access to this quiz. It's going to close on Sunday, January 26th. And the other resource that we want to make sure that we're paying attention to is the slides for lecture. So I'm going to post these this evening. You're going to be able to notice a couple of things. One, there's a campus map on the first page of the slides just to make sure that you know where you're going. So for our first day of class, that's going to happen in the BIT building, which is also known as building 506 or the Gamboard building. And our class is in BIT 104, and that's going to start at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. There's also additional resources that are available to you. So you've been assigned to a discussion section. That's going to happen in the library or building 508. And that's going to occur in room 1128. And then not this week, but next week, you'll have labs on the third floor of Chapman. That's building 53. And then if you're interested, CLC or the Cooperative Learning Center support is going to start also the following week, Monday from noon to 2 p.m., located in building 49, and Friday from 12 to 2 p.m. located in the CLC Center, that's also building 508. So these slides will be posted. You'll have the opportunity to take a look at them. They're going to cover the content that we're going to talk about on Wednesday. And then there are just a couple of other pieces that I want to make sure you see. So for that syllabus quiz, you can locate our syllabus here. And you can also find our textbook. This is an online open education resource. This is the Stacks Chemistry textbook. It's free. You have access to an online copy, or you can download a PDF. And then the only other thing, and probably the most important resource, is you. I'm so excited about meeting you in person and can't wait to see you in class on Wednesday. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions if you have them. And don't forget to check out the Welcome to Chem 110 video and complete your meet and greet. So hoping that you have a great evening, and we'll see you on Wednesday.